Welcome back to Legacy Contracts, and if this is your first time here, we're glad you found us. This channel exists for attorneys who sense that something beneath the surface of their firm isn't quite working, even if it's hard to name. Here, we look beyond surface-level efficiency and into the invisible systems shaping how your firm operates, serves clients, and sustains growth. Through practical insight and honest conversation, we help bring clarity to what's often overlooked, so you can lead with intention, not assumption. If you're interested in building a law firm that's not just functional, but thoughtfully designed, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Most law firms feel stable until something changes. An increase in workload, a key employee steps away, client demands grow faster than expected, and suddenly, things that once worked don't. Decisions take longer, questions increase, leadership becomes more involved in day-to-day operations. It's easy to assume the issue is pressure. But pressure isn't the problem. It's the reveal, because every firm operates on a structure, whether it's clearly defined or not. And under normal conditions, even unclear structures can function. But when pressure increases, gaps become visible. Decisions that didn't have a clear home begin to escalate. Responsibilities that were loosely defined start to overlap. Workflows that relied on informal communication begin to slow down. So the instinct becomes control. More oversight, more approvals, more involvement from leadership. And while that may stabilize things temporarily, it creates a different problem. Now stability depends on constant supervision. Instead of the system holding the work, leadership is. Real operational stability looks different. It means decisions are made where they're supposed to be made. Ownership remains clear, even when things get busy. Work continues to move without needing constant escalation. Leadership is still aware, but not required for every step. That's the difference between a firm that is functioning and a structurally stable firm. So if your firm feels strained under pressure, the question isn't, how do we control this better? It's, what is this pressure revealing about our structure? Because stability isn't built in the moment. It's designed before the moment ever arrives. We hope today's insight helped bring clarity to something that may have been operating quietly in the background of your firm. Progress doesn't always start with doing more, it often starts with seeing more clearly. Law firms aren't built overnight. They're shaped by the decisions you make once the invisible becomes visible. This is Legacy Contracts, and until next time, keep leading with clarity.